Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. David Podcast, the place where English feels easy, natural, and fun. I'm Hannah.
And I'm David. It's wonderful to have you here today.
How are you today, David?
I'm doing really well. I'm happy, excited, and a little curious.
Curious? About what?
I'm curious to learn something new about you today.
Really? I think you already know me.
Maybe, but every conversation teaches us something new.
I like that. And what about listening? Maybe today they'll also learn how to talk about themselves with confidence.
Exactly. And before we begin, if you're enjoying these conversations, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And give this video a thumbs up. It really helps us make more episodes like this.
Thank you so much. Now, are you ready?
Absolutely. Let's begin.
Hannah, what are we talking about today?
Today's topic is one of the most useful questions in English.
Can I guess?
Of course.
Is it, what's your favorite food?
Not today.
Okay, then, where do you live?
Close, but not quite.
I give up. Tell me.
Okay, today's question is, tell me about yourself.
That question, everyone hears it sooner or later.
Exactly. Maybe on the first day of school.
Or during a job interview.
Or when you meet a new friend.
Or even in your English class.
And sometimes, people become nervous.
Very nervous. They think, I don't know what to say.
But here's the surprising part. The answer doesn't have to be long.
Really?
No, just a few simple sentences can start a great conversation.
That sounds much easier already.
So, David, are you ready for your first challenge?
Oh, should I be worried?
Not at all. Just tell us about yourself.
Okay, where should I start?
Let's make it easy. What's your name?
My name is David.
Nice to meet you, David.
Nice to meet you too, Hannah. Even though we've already met, but it's still good English practice.
Exactly. You can always say, nice to meet you. Or, nice to meet you too. They're simple, friendly, and very useful.
See, we're already learning English without feeling like we're studying.
That's exactly our goal. Okay, we know your name now. But here's the next question. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Canada. Wow, that's a beautiful country. I've seen so many amazing pictures. The lakes, mountains, and all that snow.
Yes, especially the snow. Sometimes there's a little too much of it.
Really? I think snow looks magical.
It does, until you have to clean it from your driveway at 6 in the morning.
Okay, maybe not so magical after all. Well, I'm from the United States.
Very nice. So now everyone has learned a simple sentence.
Exactly. You can say, I'm from Canada. Or, I'm from Brazil. I'm from India. I'm from Pakistan. It's easy and very useful.
Now I'm curious. Do you live in a big city or a small town?
I live in a big city. It's always busy. There are lots of people, lots of cars, and lots of noise. But I love the energy. There's always something happening. What about you?
I'm the opposite. I live in a small town. It's quiet. The air feels fresh. People know each other. And life moves a little slower.
That sounds peaceful.
It is. Sometimes I walk outside, and all I hear are birds.
No way. If I open my window, I hear traffic.
See, big city, small town, both are different. Neither is better. It just depends on what you enjoy.
That's true. And here's another useful sentence. I live in a big city. Or, I live in a small town. Simple, natural, and easy to remember.
Here's another question people often ask. Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in an apartment. It's not very big, but it's cozy. I love sitting by the window with a cup of coffee, especially on rainy days.
That sounds relaxing. I live in a small house. It has a little garden.
A garden? Really? What do you grow?
Mostly flowers. Sometimes tomatoes. And sometimes nothing. Because I'm not the best gardener.
That's honest. At least you try.
Exactly. Plants teach patience. Sometimes they grow, sometimes they don't.
That's a nice way to think about it. And everyone listening can practice with these sentences. I live in a house. Or, I live in an apartment. Very easy. Okay, now comes the question many people feel shy about. How old are you?
Should I answer?
Only if you want to.
That's fair. I'm 28 years old. And you?
I'm 25 years old.
25. A wonderful age.
Thank you. I'll take that as a compliment.
It definitely is. And remember, you don't always have to answer this question. If you're not comfortable, it's okay to smile and change the topic.
That's right. But if you want to answer, just say, I'm 25 years old. Or simply, I'm 25. People say both every day.
Now, my favorite question. What do you do?
You mean my job?
Exactly.
I'm a student. I study art. I love drawing, painting, and creating new things. Every painting tells a story.
That's beautiful. I wish I could paint. The best I can draw is a stick figure.
I'm sure it's a very nice stick figure.
Thank you. I'll take that compliment too. As for me, I'm an English teacher. I help people speak English with confidence. And honestly, I love my job. And now, everyone listening has learned another useful sentence. I'm a teacher. I'm a student. I'm a doctor. I'm an engineer. I'm a chef. I'm a driver. Just change the job, and the sentence still works perfectly.
And that's it for today's conversation. Today, we learned how to answer one of the most common English questions. Tell me about yourself.
That's right. Now you know how to talk about your name, where you're from, where you live, your age, and what you do, all using simple, natural English.
Remember, you don't need long or perfect answers. Just a few simple sentences can help you start a great conversation and speak with confidence.
The more you practice, the easier it becomes. So after this video, try introducing yourself in English. Say it out loud, practice in front of a mirror, or even write it down in the comments below. We'd love to read your introductions.
If you enjoyed today's episode and learned something new, please give this video a like.
And don't forget to subscribe to Mr. David Podcast and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next fun English conversation.
Next time, we'll learn more useful English through another relaxed and enjoyable podcast.
Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English every single day.
Thanks for watching, take care, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye.